Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to solve question number 11 of exercise 6.1. The question says that a particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Here this is the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve. In this question, the question is asking about find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing. Here y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. In this question, given that 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, and another thing, y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. It means dy dt is equal to 8 times dx dt. It is given that. In this question, we are going to find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Now I am going to differentiate the given function with respect to t. 6 dy dt is equal to 3x square dx dt. This is the differentiation of this function. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Okay. Now by using this one, I am going to put the value of dy dx. In place of dy dx, we are going to put the value of dy dx is equal to 8 times dx dt. 6 into 8 times dx dt. The value of dy dt is what? The value of dy dt is 8 times dx dt. dx dt is equal to 3x square dx dt. Now 6 8 is 48. 48 is equal to, this will be cancelled, 3x square. Now x square is equal to 16. It gives x equal to plus minus 4. This is the value of x. Now I am going to find the value of y. When x equal to plus 4. When x equal to plus 4. X equal to plus 4, then y is equal to what? Then here I am going to put the value of x equal to 4 in this curve. 6y is equal to 4 cube plus 2. 6y is equal to 64 plus 2, 66. It gives what? Y is equal to 11. Okay. For x equal to 4, the value of y is 11. Hence the point will be 4, 11. Now for x equal to minus 4, when x equal to minus 4, then y is equal to what? Y is equal to 6y is equal to cube of minus 4 plus 2. 6y is equal to minus 64 plus 2. 6y is equal to minus 64 plus 2, minus 62. Y is equal to minus 62 upon 6. Minus 62 upon 6. We can simplify it. 2 3 is 6. Minus 31 upon 3. Hence the second point will be when x equal to minus 4, the value of y is minus 31 upon 2. Hence the point will be minus 4 comma minus 31 upon 3. Thank you children.